Okay, we've got our head all painted and finished. So we're going to do our eyes. So we have 2 acrylic eyes here. And we're going to set them in. And we want to get them centered. So the best way of doing that is hold the head above you so you can see if they're centered. Okay, so we have them centered where we want them. And I'm going to use plaster of Paris, and we'll mix it with water. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I would appreciate that. Just want to get it nice and thinned out so it will pour and fill in all the way around the eye. That's about what we want there. Okay, so now we'll fill the eye hole with it. So before it sets up, you want to hold it above your head to make sure your eyes didn't move, because you can make adjustments while it's still wet before it sets up, because once it gets hard you can't adjust them anymore. There you go. And then I just tap the head around, make sure it gets in all the places there. And we're still centered good. So we got that in there. Eyes are good. So now we'll just set this aside, let it sit up for an hour or two, and then we can come back and start putting the rest of it together. So thanks for watching.